Welcome to Everything Branded, your hub for style, beauty, and timeless essentials.
Say goodbye to fine lines, wrinkles, and dry skin with the LaRoche-Posay Hyalu B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This dermatologist-recommended serum is packed with pure hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, and madecassoside to deeply hydrate, plump, and repair your skin's natural moisture barrier. Why it's a skincare essential. Leaves skin soft, supple, and visibly plump. Anti-aging power. Targets fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. Sensitive skin friendly, safe for all skin types, and allergy tested. Gentle and effective formula. Use it alone or as a hydration booster with your favorite moisturizer for glowing, youthful skin. Perfect for all skin types.
Thank you for watching. Frame your life with Everything Branded. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Check the link in the description and the first comment to explore more and see the prices. See you in the next video.